Hello, my name is Ang Yu Hang. I'm 14 years old and I'm from Hongyichang and Baimbaru, and this is my project. My project name is called Pixel Runner. It is a sliding platform game inspired by the famous Google Dino Runner game, where players play as a pixel to jump and avoid incoming blocks. Players use the spacebar to jump. Every block avoided is a point added to your score, which you can set a high score that will be locked into the game. Each player will have 3 lives to get a temporary immune system every time they lose a life. These are my codes. I used a TypeScript for all of them. I used detailed prompts to help the AI understand my thoughts. The biggest challenge was to randomize the positions of the blocks. I overcame this by finding a solution to write detailed and specific prompts to help the AI understand my thoughts. I really enjoyed creating this project and is looking forward for what the future of AI has in store with us. Thank you for listening.